Some of the modelling tools in 11.1 have seen some significant improvements. With the topology pen, you're now able to specify whether you want UVs to be joined or remain discontinuous when two vertices are welded in 3D space, and you can also decide if you want the points to be left behind when an edge is removed. It is also now possible to define a fall-off area by right-clicking when in Move mode. When an element is moved, the area around the element is affected based on the fall-off, and when you right-click and drag on an edge, an area around the entire edge loop is affected. In addition, there is now a new smoothing mode. When you click and drag on an element with an area fall-off defined, it will be smoothed based on the fall-off. And if you right-click and drag on an edge, the points will be smoothed along the length of the span. Also, to help with general smoothing, there are now options to either lock the boundary of a polygon island or lock the corners of a polygon island. The standard Smooth tool has also seen some significant improvements. As well as now having the same lock boundary and lock corner options, you're also able to lock sharp corners by defining a threshold angle, making the smoothing results much more controllable. The lock boundary and lock corner options have also been added to the Sculpt Smooth tool, allowing you to smooth over boundary edges without any distortion to the edge. The Loop Slice tool has also been made easier to use. The new edge loop or loops are drawn in a different colour to the surrounding edges, and there's also an option to turn off the selection of the affected polygons, making the operation more visible. The new Fall-Off Weight tool will create a weight map based on a polygon selection and a defined soft selection area around it. The area is controlled by dragging in the viewport, and there are options for naming the weight map, deciding if the tool will only affect connected geometry, and also the shape of the fall-off. In addition, you can now convert the fall-off cache generated from using either the element or soft selection fall-off into a weight map. The Radial Sweep tool now has a square option that aligns the sweep along a square rather than the standard circle, and this option is also included in the procedural version of the tool. There is now a UV Create operator, which is a procedural version of the standard UV Create tool. This allows you to do procedural planar, cylindrical, spherical, barycentric and atlas UV projections. And finally, there's also a procedural version of the Smooth tool, which includes the same lock boundary, lock corners and lock angle options present in the regular tool.